The Toyota Alphard arrives at the garage completely covered in dirt, its once polished surface obscured by a thick layer of grime. The headlights are dull, and the sleek lines of the body are barely visible beneath the dust, with dried mud caked around the wheels and lower edges. The jet spray is applied, forcefully washing away the layers of dirt and grime from the exterior, revealing the car's original color. The powerful stream also clears away the accumulated mud from the wheels and undercarriage, restoring a cleaner, smoother surface. The special shampoo is applied to the exterior, creating a rich foam that gently lifts dirt and stains from the surface. As it is rinsed off, the car's paint starts to shine, and the body looks visibly cleaner and more vibrant. The interior is thoroughly vacuumed, with attention to every corner and crevice, removing dust, dirt, and debris from the seats and carpets. Polish and buff are carefully applied to the body, restoring a smooth, glossy finish to the paint. The process removes any remaining imperfections, leaving the car with a deep, reflective shine that enhances its sleek appearance. Tire cleaner is applied to the wheels, restoring their black, glossy appearance, while removing dirt and grime. Anti-rust treatment is carefully sprayed on the metallic parts, creating a protective coating that guards against corrosion and adds a subtle shine to the vehicle's exterior. The Toyota Alphard now looks completely rejuvenated, with its exterior gleaming under the light, showcasing a smooth, polished finish. The tires are clean and glossy, the metallic parts protected and shining, while the interior feels fresh, immaculate, and ready for the road.